Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 5 ways to drive an automatic car smoothly. This will be a video that is full of beginner tips. Once again, just because I kind of messed that up, I'm going to say this one more time. The topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you specifically about 5 ways to drive an automatic car smoothly, and these will be beginner tips. So once again, beginner tips showing you 5 ways to drive an automatic car smoothly. So if you want to drive an automatic car smoothly, this is a video for you. These are 5 tips. Let's get into this. I'm going to keep this short and sweet despite that long intro. Number 1, go easy on the gas when starting out. So when you're starting to drive from a standstill, you want to go easy on the gas. If you go and accelerate aggressively, sure, you're going to pick up speed a bit faster, and there are times when you need to do that, of course, but that will not allow for smooth driving. Okay, very simple. If you want to drive smoothly, go easy on the gas when you're starting out. Just make your foot go fluently, pushing the gas pedal very slowly and gently. Okay, you're gonna hit the same speed, like you'll hit it slower. Like I can accelerate to 50 kilometers an hour. I could do it aggressively, right, and it would be very rough, or I can do it smoothly. So I'd rather do it smoothly, and it also is better for the car to, obviously accelerate smoothly instead of aggressively, just in general as a majority of the time blanket statement. There are times to accelerate aggressively, and it's good to do that to your engine once in a while, really open it up, but that is sometimes, right? Not all the time. Okay, so number 1, go easy on the gas when you're starting. Number 2, that's how you drive an automatic car smoothly. Number 2, steer fluently in turns. Now, when you're steering, your steering movements on your steering wheel should be fluent and fluid, essentially. Think about it like that. So when I'm steering the steering wheel, I shouldn't be trying to figure out during the turn where the steering wheel is going to go. I should know roughly where to put the steering wheel for the turn, and then you make tiny little micro adjustments throughout that turn. While you're holding the wheel there, you make these little micro adjustments that will allow you to perfect that turn. But it should be fluid and fluent. It should be one movement and then the micro adjustments and then release it. And that's just about practice. If you practice steering during turns, you're going to get better. It's that simple, okay? That's number 2. Number 3, make micro adjustments while steering straight to keep your car straight and smooth. So when you're steering in a straight line, like when you're just driving in a straight line, believe it or not, you still have to steer, but you should not be correcting and overcorrecting yourself. You should be making these little micro adjustments, tiny little movements of the steering wheel, and look far ahead. If you look far ahead, you're able to make those micro adjustments and you won't overcorrect, and that will allow you to drive an automatic car smoothly. Number 4 is start braking a touch earlier. So literally number 4 is start the braking process a touch earlier. So don't think whenever you brake right now, you want to look a little bit further ahead so you can start braking a moment earlier. By braking a moment earlier, it's not going to really affect anyone behind you. You're not going to be braking irresponsibly or braking, too early. By just starting to brake a fraction of a second earlier, you're just going to allow yourself to have a little bit greater braking distance and more time to brake, and therefore will allow for a smoother braking process. Okay. Last but not least is number 5. The 5th way to drive an automatic car smoothly is to keep your body centered. You want to make sure that you keep your body centered, and I'll tell you why. Sometimes in my younger days, I would drive like this, and I was always wondering why I was always correcting my car to the left. It's because I was leaning right. So my body was leaning right, therefore I was always correcting to the left, okay? Even arm out the window, in my younger days like this, and I was always overcorrecting to the side. That doesn't allow for a smooth driving process. You want to drive an automatic car smoothly, keep your body centered, 2 hands on the wheel, shoulders straight, head and neck nice and straight, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.